Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Doxem IG is a granular insecticide bait used to control crickets, including mole crickets, on residential and commercial properties, indoors and outdoors. This product contains the active ingredient Indoxacarb in a formulation that crickets are especially attracted to, and Novaluron, an insect growth regulator or IGR that will inhibit the growth of chitin, a major component of an insect's exoskeleton. These ingredients work together to get effective control over Doxem IG's labeled pests: crickets, mole crickets, and also earwigs, silverfish, ants, and cockroaches. Doxem IG is an insect bait, which means it needs to be consumed in order for the active ingredients to take effect. To make Doxem IG as effective as possible, it needs to be placed where it's easily accessible to targeted insects. If you're looking for a barrier treatment that will kill insects with contact, check out Reclaim IT. Use Reclaim to repel labeled pests away from your home and kill any that come into contact. You can even mix this product with an IGR like Teco Pro to get similar all-around control, just as you would with Doxem IG. Teco Pro doesn't just contain Novaluron, but it also has pyriproxyfen, an IGR that mimics growth hormones, so affected immature pests will not be able to develop into reproductive adults. While Doxem IG is labeled to control ants and cockroaches, it's most effective as a bait used to control crickets. If you're looking to target ants or cockroaches specifically, try using Antrax ant bait or Apex cockroach bait. Both of these products contain attractants that target their respective pests and work by systemically spreading the poison throughout their colonies or nests, resulting in widespread elimination. Before using Doxem IG, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas. Doxem IG comes in a 4-pound shaker container with a shaker cap to make application easy. Doxem IG also comes in a 20-pound bag, so you can apply this product by hand or with a hand spreader. Doxem IG can be used outdoors or indoors as a perimeter application. Outdoors, you can spread the product around the perimeter of your structure in bands that are 5 feet to 10 feet wide, with an application rate that ranges from 1.15 pounds to 4.6 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Indoors, you'll spread the product along the edge of walls in bands that are 6 inches to 12 inches in width, at an application rate of 2 ounces per 10 linear feet. Doxem IG can also be broadcast outdoors over turf and ornamental beds, and indoors in crawl spaces, basements, attics, machine rooms, structural voids, and other less frequented rooms. For most applications, you'll use an application rate of 1.15 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. If you're treating for roaches, use 2.3 pounds per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Outdoors, you can apply up to 4.6 pounds if you're experiencing heavy pest infestation. Before application, you'll need to get your treatment area's square footage. Do this by multiplying the area's length by its width. Use this when determining the amount of product you'll need to apply. Doxem IG can be applied with the container's shaker cap or by hand to cover small areas, but for larger broadcast applications, we recommend you use a hand spreader to cover large amounts of area quickly and evenly. Simply add your measured amount of product into a calibrated spreader and you're ready to apply. As you make your application, keep an eye on the amount of product you have left in the spreader and adjust your pace so you apply all the product evenly over the entire treatment area. For mole cricket control, it's best to make your initial application in spring before adult mole crickets lay eggs, then apply again in late summer to fall to control large nymphs and newly emerged adults. For best results, make your applications in the late afternoon when mole crickets begin to be active. If the soil is not moist, irrigate the area before application to drive mole cricket activity towards the surface. Allow the area to dry, then make your application. Under most normal weather conditions, Doxem IG will remain active for up to 14 days, even through rainfall and irrigation. Pests that consume the bait are known to die within 12 to 24 hours of consumption. You should see a noticeable decrease in pest activity after 7 days, but you may make a repeat application if it's necessary. Shop for Doxem IG on our site or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.